Hi friends, today I will be talking about causes behind thyroid hormone imbalance. Thyroid hormone is situated at the front of the lower neck. Primary function of the thyroid is production of thyroxine hormone that regulates the rate in which nutrients are converted into energy. During the conflict active phase, thyroid gland cell multiply proportionally to the intensity of the conflict. The purpose of the cell multiplication is to improve the secretion of hormones so that the individual become faster to catch the desired morsel or to get rid of an undesired morsel. This causes an overactive thyroid or hyperthyroidism. Because of increased hormone production, individual is often overexcited, nervous, irritable, and have trouble sleeping. Right part of the thyroid relates to ingoing morsel. Biological conflict consists with the role in digestion called morsel conflict. Feeling behind this conflict is not being fast enough to catch a morsel. Here, morsel reflect to concern. For example, not getting a job quickly, not getting desired position or promotion quickly. The concern can also be about a contract, a business, or it can be about a purchase one strongly desire but is too slow to grab it. The expected morsel could also relate to a person. One is too slow to catch or get a hold of. Now, left side of the thyroid relates to outgoing morsel, which is not being fast enough to eliminate a morsel. This could be a term, paper, any kind of goods, foul stock, or a person. That person can be anyone. Tenant, employee, business partner, feeling like I am too slow to get rid of. An apology and proposal that was expressed too late can also evoke this type of morsel conflict. This conflict affects those people who are driven to get things done, who have professionals and activities that involve competition like business managers, sales manager, vendors, athletes, and sports competitors who are under deadline pressure. Constant pressure to keep up working two jobs. Example, single mothers, housewife who are under pressure to complete the work in fixed timeline are more susceptible to experience the conflict. Pregnant women suffer this conflict when their parents or in-laws force them to act according to their beliefs during pregnancy, or they feel restricted to one place or have told to take bed rest by doctor. Children and adolescents suffer thyroid hormone imbalance when they are pushed by parent, teacher, or coach saying you are too slow. It is seen in 85% of cases, patient first present with migraine or chronic headache and then hyper or hypothyroidism follows. The biological conflict linked to the thyroid duct is a powerless conflict, experienced as feeling helpless, thinking like there is nothing I can do about the situation. My hands are tied, or conflict related to any kind of imposition, external control, or decision made over one's head will trigger the conflict. So in GNM, we talk about identifying the conflict and then releasing the conflict to be happy and healthy. Thank you.